Hello everybody, this is Stephanie Pettis in the Roland Studio, and I have been holding on excuse me, to this particular video for about 2 or 3 weeks. I've just been busy, as you guys, most of you know. I've been just dealing with some family issues, so I just wanted to say hello and try to get started on a quick little 1 to 2, maybe 3-part little series here. This will be a new trinket box, and I don't know if you technically call it a box since it's round, but yeah, that's what we're making here. So it's gonna be a little more on the shabby chic side, so bear with me, enjoy the music, and I'll pop in here and out, here and there, and commentary when I can. The original idea here was to do a crackle medium on this, but as most of you know, I do craft in my truck, and my heat tool does not work in my truck. I don't have enough power to get the gun to work, or the heat tool to work, and I said that now well. And so I kind of rushed through this, not letting the layers dry as you need to for crackle, so it just becomes something else. So I hope you like what I do, hope you enjoy it. Just so that you know, I have used a base acrylic, which was the Apple Barrel brand. It was just a fuchsia type of pink, and then I continued to use the Waverly chalk paint brand, which was in the color of cashew, ivory, and ballet pink. I think those are the 3, and then I think I ended up dry brushing it a bit with some Apple Barrel white, just so that you guys know what I've used and what I've done here. So okay, I'm gonna be quiet now. Oh yes, and I did forget to gesso the original side, so I decided to give my shot at putting gesso on the wood plaque on the opposite side to see if there was a difference, but quite frankly, it didn't make much of a difference on this particular piece. So if you don't have gesso and you want to try this, don't be afraid to use it without it. It didn't really make all much of a difference for me either, so there you go. And I do apologize for the up close here. I failed to pay attention and zoom out just a hair so you can see me working on it, but I really wish that I could have gotten the whole thing in. It's my bad. I apologize. I told you I'd be more careful in the future, but apparently I lied. So anyways, it's just a dry brushing, and you'll at least get to see some of it, and I'm sorry if it's a little blurry as well. I really need to get on the ball and doing these videos better. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, here we go. And really, it's just layering a little bit of dry brush of different colors, just keeping the pink a little more on the softer side for shabby. I did base it with a dark pink, but I really didn't want the focus to be on such a hot pink, but I softened it up quite a bit with the different various paints that I used. And really, it's just a little dry brushing over most of this. Okay, so after I got these painted and let them dry a minute, I decided to use my Alchemy waxes, the Prima waxes, and I'm using rose gold here and royal robes. It's also, the royal robes is more like a pink shabby opalescence color, and of course you guys all know what the rose gold is. And I thought it would be kind of cool to just throw an old old tone to it, just a little age to it. So that's why I use the alchemy waxes here. Okay, so the next step that I'm planning to do here is use some of this twine. This is like a clothesline twine. I think I paid $2 or $3 for it. May have been $3 or $4, I'm not sure, but I got it at Walmart, and it's just some white twine that I'm going to use to build my basket. So here you go. Okay, I'm just finishing up the last part of the basket and giving it a little seal there at the bottom. And once you seal this, then I'll be putting a top on it. And don't worry about the roughness of this basket, because we are going to be doing an embellishment alongside the outer parts of this basket. And I don't know what I'm doing just yet, but when I get there, you'll see it in the next video. So I hate to break this video up into several parts, but it looks like the way things are going, that's the way it's going to have to be. So bear with me and keep a watch out for it, because I think you're going to like it. I think it's going to be fun. I do have some ideas, so we'll just have to see how it goes. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Don't forget to hit the bell for future videos as well. And again, thank you. And don't forget to join if you'd like to come to our group. That it's the Out of the Box Creations, a Rolling Studio affiliate. And we're growing a pretty nice sized family over there, so come join us. And we'll see you there. Have a great day. God bless you always. Bye.